So in this video, we're going to talk about the different ways that you can add call to actions to your Facebook page. So one of the best ways is to use this button right here. So let's see the different options that we have for the call to action. So I'm gonna go here and edit. So book now. This one can be used for like clinics, hotels, restaurants, and in general just to book appointments. They contact you, send an email, send messages, contact us. Pretty straightforward. Have the learn more that you can use the learn more to send people to your page, to a funnel. You have the watch video if you want them, to watch a video. If you have a store, of course, shop. You can have people play games or download your game or sign up for something and then join your community. So those are the options that you have for the call to action. There's a way for you to actually have two buttons right there. So I'm going to show you the way most people do it is they come here, select contact you and send message, right? And select messenger. So now you just have that one button. If I come here and I'm going to view the page as the page visitor, I only have one option, right? So there's a way where we can have multiple options here. So I'm gonna go back to the admin. All right, so now that I'm back as an admin, I'm gonna come here and edit this button. Click on edit. So instead of contact you, I would suggest to use the learn more, and then we're gonna use a website. I would suggest to use like a funnel or a landing page. That way you can start building your lists. For this example though, I'm gonna just use the main website. All right, so now you have to learn more here. Before we go check for the next button, let's go to settings and make sure you go to the messenger platform. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Make sure that this one says show. And then go to general. And under messages, click on edit. Make sure that that this is checked. Save it. And then we're gonna go back to the main page. Now I'm gonna see the page as a visitor. And boom, now we have two buttons instead of one to send a message. So you can have people to learn more and send them to your funnel, start building those lists, or send a message and then start using the messenger from Facebook. So another way that you can add a call to action to the Facebook page is with your Facebook page cover. Whether you have a picture or a video, just click on it. So in this case, I have a video. So I'm gonna go to edit, video, and I already had it in here, but normally it's just gonna be like that. It's for you to describe the video or the picture. When you have a picture, you have the same option for the description, and in there you can just type your URL. Again, I would suggest to use a funnel or a landing page where you can start collecting those leads. That's another option that people can reach your funnel. So there you have it. Now you have 3 different ways that people can get to your funnel using the Facebook page.